Tiny house. Price, $38,000. Location, Burlington, North Carolina. Full information. Condition new. Don't miss out on this tiny house for sale. Dimensions, 12 feet by 36 feet. Originally built as a project for my mother-in-law, but we decided to go in a different direction. The house needs to be finished, but it includes a brand new refrigerator. The bedroom comfortably fits a queen-size bed, pictured but not included. It has a standard-size bathroom, perfect as an in-law suite, an additional house on your property, or a cabin. Buyer will need to arrange moving at their own cost. 3 beds, 2 baths house. Price, $70,000. Location, Clarington, Ohio. Property details. Type house. Bedrooms, 3. Bathrooms, 2. Unfurnished. Description. Charming 3-bed, 2-bath home for sale in Clarington, Ohio. Listed by Sasha Kievert, Realtor, with Brenner Real Estate Team, LPT Realty. Ideal for those seeking an affordable home in a quiet area. Additional info. Walk score, 0 out of 100. Car required for most errands. Bike score, 22 out of 100. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Nearby school, Swiss Hills Career Center, grades 10 to 12.